Welcome to Hope Tube, where we explore the beauty of nature and how it can transform our living spaces. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of wood branch decor, a trend that not only celebrates the rustic charm of the outdoors, but also allows us to unleash our creativity in unique and captivating ways. Wood branches, with their organic shapes and textures, can be repurposed into stunning decor elements that bring warmth and character to any room. Let's embark on a journey through 5 ancient-inspired ideas that will inspire you to incorporate wood branches into your home decor. Imagine stepping into a serene space where nature's essence is captured through thoughtful design. One of the most timeless ideas is creating a wood branch wall art piece. Picture this, a collection of branches carefully arranged to form a stunning focal point on your wall. You can choose branches of varying lengths and thicknesses, allowing you to create a dynamic composition that reflects your personal style. By painting the branches in soft, earthy tones or leaving them in their natural state, you can achieve a look that harmonizes beautifully with both modern and rustic interiors. As you arrange the branches, consider incorporating elements like twinkling fairy lights or delicate hanging crystals to add a touch of magic and whimsy to your creation. This wall art not only serves as a striking visual element, but also brings the tranquility of nature indoors, inviting a sense of calm and peace into your living space. Next, let's explore the idea of crafting a stunning wood branch chandelier. This project combines functionality with artistic expression, making it an ideal centerpiece for dining areas or entryways. To create your own chandelier, select a sturdy branch that can support the weight of light fixtures or candles. You can wrap the branch with twine or natural jute for an earthy touch, then hang small glass globes or lanterns from it at varying heights. The interplay of light and shadow created by the glowing fixtures will add warmth and ambience to your space, making it an inviting spot for gatherings or quiet evenings at home. As you sit beneath this beautiful creation, you'll feel as if you're dining under a canopy of stars, connecting you to the beauty of the natural world. Another captivating idea is to use wood branches as decorative curtain rods. This simple yet impactful concept allows you to infuse your windows with a touch of nature while also adding an element of surprise. Choose branches that are straight and sturdy and then sand them down to achieve a smooth finish. By mounting these branches on brackets or directly onto the wall, you create a rustic yet elegant frame for your curtains. You can pair this decor idea with sheer fabrics that gently filter sunlight, casting beautiful patterns across your room as the light dances through the fabric. This approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your windows, but also creates a cozy atmosphere that feels both inviting and serene. Moving on, let's consider the enchanting idea of crafting a wood branch coat rack. This functional piece not only serves a practical purpose, but also becomes an artistic statement in your entryway or mudroom. Select a thick branch with interesting knots and twists, then mount it securely to the wall at a height that accommodates your family's needs. You can add hooks made from reclaimed materials or even repurpose old hardware to give it a unique touch. By incorporating this natural element into your home, you'll create an inviting space that encourages organization while celebrating the beauty of imperfection found in nature. Each time you hang your coat or bag on this charming rack, you'll be reminded of the connection between your home and the great outdoors. Lastly, let's explore the idea of creating enchanting wood branch centerpieces for your dining table or coffee table. These centerpieces can serve as stunning focal points for gatherings or intimate dinners, adding an organic touch to your decor. Start by selecting branches that have interesting shapes or textures. You might even consider using driftwood for an added coastal vibe. Arrange the branches in a shallow bowl or tray and enhance them with seasonal elements such as fresh flowers, dried moss, or even small candles nestled among the branches. This centerpiece becomes a conversation starter, drawing attention and admiration from guests while showcasing your creativity and appreciation for nature's artistry. As we conclude our exploration of wood branch decor ideas, it's clear that these ancient-inspired projects allow us to connect with nature in meaningful ways while enhancing our living spaces. Whether you choose to create wall art, chandeliers, curtain rods, coat racks, or beautiful centerpieces, each project invites you to embrace the beauty of the natural world and express your individuality through design. So why not take some time to gather materials from your surroundings and let your imagination run wild? At Hope Tube, we believe that every home can benefit from the warmth and character that wood branch decor brings. Thank you for joining us today on this creative journey. We hope you feel inspired to bring a piece of nature into your own home. Remember to subscribe for more inspiring ideas and tips on how to infuse your living space with creativity and charm. Until next time, keep dreaming and creating.